Hey guys, what's up? Say hi, Esther. There's Mama Rez. We're driving and we're on our way to go selling. So we have AJ has his PS Vita right there. We have a huge old ambulance that we use as a Barney. Okay, Esther wants to show you that she's watching Barney. There's Barney. There's Barney. AJ's playing Call of Duty on his PSP right there. So we have an old ambulance. Barney, more Barney. We have an old ambulance that we use as a little store. We'll show it to you back there in a little bit. We use a little store to sell products from Mexico. And it's got spicy. What kind of stuff do you like that's over there?
Candy, sodas.
There's like spicy candy. There's spicy soda. No, not spicy sodas. Spicy chips. There's pan dulce.
There's also
Pan, conchas. ¿Qué más? Galletas. ¿A ti qué te gusta, Esther? What do you like?
That's candy.
What do you like? Candy. She likes candy. She likes lots of candy. So we have some chocolates from Mexico, some peanuts from Mexico. We also have, hi, Esther saying hi. What else we have? Sodas from Mexico. What else?
We got the new controls they got all
He's talking about the new games. Esther's saying hi. She just wants to say hi. What else we have back there?
And this game has like a lot of levels.
AJ's showing his PS Vita there. He's playing Call of Duty. He's showing a lot of levels. You want to show them Barney, Esther? Okay, so Esther's watching Barney right there. While we're on our way, we're driving on our way over there.
And look at this sniper.
Whoa!
That's the sniper.
So right now we're going through town, and we mainly go to like dairy farms, to farms where they have cabbages or pumpkins, or the landscape guys that come from Mexico. Barney? Oh yeah, cows. We'll show you some cows. We'll show you what we sell. You like the cows, Esther? That's good. We're gonna show them some cows. Okay, and then we also sell to some of the houses here that have people, the kids like to come in the truck and buy the candy, chips. Yeah. And then Mama Rez also has her products here of like shampoos, razors, toilet paper, paper towels. Raisins? We got raisins? I don't know if we have raisins. What else we have also? Oh yeah, we also have, what do we have? We also have boots for the farms. Hiking boots to walk or just to have. We got some. Oh yeah, AJ's showing off his DVD player. He's got some, like, shitty fixed it. He got some games. Hold on, Esther, hold on. Yep. So we're on our way to the farms right now. When we get there, we'll show you guys what we have back there. It's hiding, so we'll see you guys later. All right, guys. So Esther, what are you eating here?
Candy.
candy. Let me see that candy. Oh my gosh, is that spicy candy?
Yeah.
Wow, so here guys, look at Esther's enjoying some candy here. And it's from Mexico, and it's called Pulperino. It's hot and salted tamarinian pulp candy. So she likes it. It's spicy. And AJ over here, what are you eating, AJ? AJ is eating rellenaditos, okay? So that's like tamarindo, and it has a lot of like chili powder inside. So that's how that's what they're eating, spicy. And they had some chips too, called rancheritos, el mero mero sabor ranchero, or like cowboy chips as AJ calls them. And they're pretty good. They're a little spicy. Oh yeah, different ones of these, they give you some prizes. So that's what we have right here to eat. And also Esther's enjoying some Mexican yogurt. It's called El Mexicano, drinkable yogurt with strawberry and banana.
There's another one over there.
And over there, yeah, there's another one over there.
Called pineapple.
Pineapple.
And Coke.
And Coke, yeah. So here guys, this is what we have in our little ambulance store. Say hi, Esther. So we sell some bread. It's called pan dulce. Cookies. We have different types of cookies over here. We have coffee. We have spices and many hot peppers. What's up? Oh yeah, AJ wants to show you the farm that we're at right here. So this farm is, what's it called, AJ? It's called K-Way. So this is called K-Way Farms.
Yep.
It's owned by Willow Crest Farms, where AJ's grandpa works. And Esther's grandpa works. So we're here at the farm selling. Some guys that come out from the cows. They like to buy our stuff over here. We got the different types of cookies. We also sell shampoos, gel, deodorants, shaving cream, razors. We also have right here the Gain products, the products to wash your clothes. We have Mexican sodas, Mexican drinks, apple soda, mandarin soda. We have different types of milks here from Mexico. We have cheese. We have sour cream from Mexico, yogurts, some more cheese, lots of candy. It's all this Mexican candy right here. Look at that, guys. It looks so good. There's some spicy ones, some nutty ones. We also have different types of spices here again, and chipotle. And we got jalapenos, hot salsas right there. Look at that, spicy salsa, Mexican hot sauce right there. That's what's up. More cookies and the famous chips. A lot of chips that the guys like. Most of the chips are spicy. Some of them have salt and lemon, and some of our pork are made from pork. Right there, pork strips, pork cracklins, fried pork fat with attached skin right there, and also they have their hot sauce. More cookies and different types of drinks from Mexico. So this is what we do, guys. Sometimes we go have our own little business and we go selling. We also have tortillas, like I said, some boots. So we're out here in the farms. So the farms right there. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So this is our famous ambulance. Our ambulance store. That's where we do all our selling. We go out and sell to different farms. Alright, guys. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. We'll see you guys later. See what we do later on. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye. There's AJ saying bye. Yeah?
Hey guys.
Hey guys, so we're here at Walmart getting a bunch of stuff that we just found. Look at this. We found all this stuff, and the kids have wanted some Lunchables.
Yeah. I never tried one before.
Never tried one?
I got a
I never
pizza
had one.
I got a
They didn't
pizza
have those
one.
when I was little. You got a pizza one?
I forgot the ham one.
Esther, what you get, Esther, ham?
That one, the cookie one.
Yeah. All right, guys.
And this one has the white cheese and the yellow cheese.
And the white cheese and yellow cheese. Oh my goodness. All right, guys. So what did you find today? You found
A bag.
cheese,
And we'll have also backpacks.
backpacks.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
And
Very good.
this is really cool. It comes with sauce too.
Something sauce.
I haven't tried the sauce with it. This, I want to try this with the yellow
Vámonos,
cheese.
porque ya les pagamos, ¿qué?
Estos too?
Yeah, Esther's gonna get one too.
Yay!
All right, you want to say anything before we get going?
Yeah. Bye guys.
Don't forget to
Bye.
subscribe,
Don't forget to subscribe, like,
and comment.
and comment.
See ya.
See ya.
All right, guys, like AJ said, subscribe, like, and comment. See what you guys want us to do.
And we're also making Butterfly videos.
Butterfly videos? All right, we gotta make a butterfly video. All right, bye.
Bye.